original.
Esse é meu mano MK17. Caralho, moleque é mídia, porra.
Me chamou pra sua casa pra assistir uma Netflix. Nós já tava sem roupa e nem começou o filme. Me chamou pra sua casa pra assistir uma Netflix. Nós já tava sem roupa.
From Central Ohio's news leader, this is 10 TV News at 6.
Good evening, Columbus. I'm Lakshmi. Tonight, we have a chance for severe weather.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 18, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: Delaware County, Licking County, Fairfield County, Pickaway County, Madison County, Union County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Aí nem começou o filme. Nem começou o filme. Nem começou o filme. Nós já tava sem roupa e nem começou o filme. Me chamou pra sua casa pra assistir uma Netflix. Nós já tava sem roupa e nem começou o filme. Come minha buceta.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington, Cincinnati has issued a tornado warning for Pickaway County in Central Ohio, Franklin County in Central Ohio, until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Genoa, moving east of Asheville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and 0.75 size hail. Source: spotted impacts. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Columbus around 7:15. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, stay away from windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Come minha buceta. Come minha buceta. Minha buceta.
Liberty Mutual is all she talks about since we saved hundreds by bundling our home and auto insurance.
Liberty.
Hey kid, it's pronounced Bibberty.
Liberty.
Bibberty.
Liberty.
Bibberty.
Liberty.
Bibberty.
Liberty.
Now she's mocking me. Very mature.
Hey, that's enough, you two.
Hey, I'm not the one acting like a total baby.
She's two.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, liberty, liberty.
Liberty.
If your family is anything like this, you need quality floors from Empire today. Like durable carpet with built-in stain and pet protection. tough wood laminate with a scratch-resistant finish. Or waterproof vinyl plank floors. Even bath time is no match. And when life happens, Empire backs every floor with great warranties. Quality floors you can count on. That's Empire today.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Allegheny County in western Pennsylvania, Washington County in western Pennsylvania, until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm were located from Coshocton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm. Hazard, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines. Locations include Pittsburgh, Washington, Centerville, Baldwin, Aleppo Township, Monongahela, Claysville, and Baldwin Township. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.
This is CBS News with breaking news. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a 3 out of 5 risk for Ohio and Pennsylvania. Storms also have railed through the region of southern Canada. Severe storms are expected to move towards the east coast by 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. tonight. The Storm Prediction Center might change the outlook. This is CBS News.
Environment Canada has issued a severe storm warning. Environment Canada has issued a severe storm warning for Huntsville, Kingsville, Ottawa, and London. Winds up to 100 km per hour with golf ball-size hail is possible. This is a serious alert for the southern region of Ontario. If you get hurt, call emergency services. It is advised you put your family and yourself in a protective place where you will not get hurt. If the power goes out, an emergency announcement will be made for southern Ontario.
Multiple power outages across central Ohio. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Columbus Police Department in cooperation with the Emergency Alert System. Multiple power outages have been reported across central Ohio. Due to the storms moving through Ohio, there has been power outages around Columbus, Gahanna, Reynoldsburg, Delaware, Dublin, and Circleville. The Ohio Power Company will put power back in place really soon. Stay tuned to your local radio or news station.
This is ABC7 in Buffalo. Severe thunderstorms are moving throughout the entire...
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Inside.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo issued a tornado warning for Chautauqua County in northern New York, Cattaraugus County in northern New York, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Erie, moving east toward Mayville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and 0.75 size hail. Source, spotted impacts. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. This dangerous storm will be near Little Valley around 8 p.m. Precautionary preparedness actions, to repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows.
Absurda na cama, eu te boto na cama, eu maltrato. Vai caralho. Hoje é sem Netflix, é tapa na bunda e botada no rabo. Hoje é sem Netflix.
Environment Canada has issued a heavy rainfall warning for the southern region of Quebec. Thunderstorms have caused heavy rainfall around Maine. 3 to 5 inches of rain is expected throughout South Quebec. The rain can make travel sometimes impossible near lacs streams and highways. This message will now speak in French.
Environnement Canada a émis un avertissement de fortes pluies pour la région sud du Québec. Des orages ont causé de fortes pluies dans le Maine. On prévoit de 7,5 à 12,7 cm de pluie dans tout le sud du Québec. La pluie peut parfois rendre les déplacements impossibles près des lacs, des ruisseaux et des autoroutes.